Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So this weekend I am back with another project, and this is the time of Rath Yatra, and last year in Rath Yatra I made this one using matchsticks. You can also check out the video, the link is in the description. But today we are going to DIY an ATM machine. So let's DIY this ATM machine. To make this project we need some pieces of sunpack, or this is also called as corrugated sheet, and I am going to make the outer box or the body of the ATM using this. So our box is ready and I have added all the side except one side, and if you will notice you can see a triangle like shape over here, and this is I have added so that I can make a inclined surface so that whenever the coin will fall it will can slide down easily. And over here I am going to make a hole so that the coin will fall from upper to the down. And this is a paper roll that we are going to use to store our coins, and I will add this paper roll here so that I can put the coins inside it. For that I am going to use the super glue and I will add it. So the paper roll is added and strongly it is done. Now I am going to make a hole in front of the paper roll so that whenever push the card inside the box, a coin will fall out from that hole. So now I am going to make that hole. You can see that I have did the hole over here for the coin, and now I will add the inclined plane on the triangle and I will fix it using super glue and glue gun. So I have added the inclined plane, and now let's go to the next step. So this is the front side of our ATM, and I am going to make a hole in front of this paper roll over here so that I can insert the card, and in the lower part I am going to make another hole so that the coin will come out. So let me do the holes. So here I have did the holes and cut out all the parts what we need, and as you can see our card is also easily can be entered in the slit so that we can access to our ATM. And now what I am going to do is to finish this I am going to first I will add the base, and this is the base which I am going to add using the super glue. So now let me tell you the mechanism behind it. When I will insert the card inside the hole, you can see that it's going below the cardboard roll and there are coins in it. So it will push the coin and the coin will fall down and slide on this inclination and come out of this hole. So this is how it works, and now I am going to cover it. For that I am going to add the one open side that I have left, so I will cover it using the super glue. So now we are going to cover the upper part of our ATM where I have this sunpack piece, and you can see there is a marking. I am going to make a hole over here, and this is for adding the coins. But before that let me cover up the top side using this glue gun. Well, this project is almost ready and I just need to do some decorations, and after that our project will be completed. So here is our final project, the ATM machine, and you can see that I have added some designs to it, and we can insert our card here in this area so that it will work. So now let's go and check this project how it works. Well, this ATM is only for kids, so there is not any kind of password or pin code. It's just for fun purpose. And if you like the video, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And also let me know your thoughts and suggestions in the comment section below. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon, because I came up with a new video every weekend. So see you guys next week. Till then, be cool, work smart.